Ready to have your perspective on small homes flipped upside down? You might think tiny houses are cramped and uncomfortable, but today, we're going to show you just how innovative and stylish they can be. Whether you're considering downsizing, looking for a sustainable living option, or just curious about the tiny house movement, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of small house design. These homes are not just about saving space. They're about maximizing every inch to create a comfortable, functional, and beautiful living environment. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional furniture, tiny houses are a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. With housing costs soaring and sustainability on everyone's mind, small living isn't just practical, it's the new cool. Imagine living in a home that's not only affordable, but also eco-friendly. Many tiny houses are designed with sustainability in mind, featuring solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. It's a lifestyle choice that's good for your wallet and the planet. Let's address the big myth. Tiny spaces mean sacrificing comfort, style, and functionality. Nope, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, tiny houses often boast some of the most innovative and stylish designs you'll ever see. Designers and homeowners alike have found ways to make these small spaces feel open, airy, and incredibly inviting. Innovative design can turn any small house into an amazing living space. It's all about making smart choices and thinking outside the box. From the layout to the decor, every element is carefully considered to ensure maximum comfort and functionality. You'll be amazed at how much can be achieved in such a small footprint. First up, multifunctional furniture. This is a game changer for tiny house living. When space is at a premium, every piece of furniture needs to serve more than one purpose. Imagine a sofa that transforms into a bed or a dining table that folds away. Space-saving and stylish. These pieces are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, ensuring that your tiny house doesn't just feel like a small space, but a well-thought-out home. Multifunctional furniture allows you to make the most of your space without compromising on comfort or style. Now, on to storage. Vertical storage is your best friend. Tall bookshelves, wall-mounted cabinets, under-the-stairs storage. When you can't spread out, you go up. Utilizing vertical space is key to keeping your tiny house organized and clutter-free. Think about all the unused space above your head. Why not turn it into a storage haven? You'd be surprised at how much you can fit. From books and clothes to kitchen supplies and tools, vertical storage solutions can accommodate it all. And it's not just about practicality. These storage solutions can also add to the aesthetic appeal of your home. Imagine a beautifully organized bookshelf that doubles as a statement piece in your living room. Don't forget unique architectural features. These can make a huge difference in how spacious and inviting your tiny house feels. Open floor plans make a small house feel larger and inviting. By eliminating unnecessary walls and barriers, you create a sense of flow and openness. This not only makes the space feel bigger, but also allows for more natural light to fill the room. An open floor plan can transform a tiny house into a bright, airy, and welcoming home. Large windows let in natural light, making spaces feel airy and open. Natural light is a powerful tool in making any space feel larger and more inviting. It can also have a positive impact on your mood and well-being. So don't skimp on the windows. Opt for large, strategically placed windows to maximize the amount of natural light in your tiny house. And outdoor spaces like balconies or rooftop gardens, perfect for unwinding. Just because you're living in a tiny house doesn't mean you have to give up outdoor space. A small balcony or rooftop garden can provide a much-needed escape and a place to relax and enjoy the fresh air. Plus, it's a great way to extend your living space and make your tiny house feel even bigger. Here's the showstopper: a tiny house on wheels with a rooftop deck. This is the ultimate in tiny house living. Not only do you have a compact, efficient living space, but you also have the freedom to take your home wherever you go. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee with a breathtaking view, anywhere you park. Adventure and comfort rolled into one. A tiny house on wheels offers the best of both worlds, the stability and comfort of a home with the flexibility and adventure of a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're parked by the beach, in the mountains, or in a bustling city, your tiny house can be your sanctuary. So to recap, we've uncovered some incredible small house design ideas. From multifunctional furniture to clever storage and unique features, small living is stylish and functional. these ideas prove that you don't need a lot of space to live comfortably and beautifully. It's all about making smart choices and being creative with the space you have. From multifunctional furniture to clever storage and unique features, small living is stylish and functional. Which idea blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see how you're incorporating these ideas into your own tiny house designs. And if you have any other tips or tricks for tiny house living, be sure to share them with us. And for more inspiration, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. We have a whole series dedicated to tiny house living, with tips, tours, and more design ideas to help you make the most of your small space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy tiny house living!